Welcome to the TSC classroom. I am Tathagato. Today I will teach you the method of shortcut method of multiplication. The method of multiplication is working from nursery student up to the higher class. A multiplication can be done very shortly without wasting your time. I will show you two-step multiplication and three-step multiplication today. As for example, this multiplication can be done easily, that is 6, 5, 1. What is the shortcut technique? I will explain you by step. Step 1. 2 is multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. Step 2. 1 is multiplied by 3 plus 2 is multiplied by 1 is equal to 5. Step 3. 1 is multiplied by 1, that is 1. Then the answer is 1, 5, 6. We take another example of multiplication. Another example of 2 by 2 multiplication. 29 is multiplied by 31. The answer will be 899. The step 1 is 1 is multiplied by 9 is multiplied by 1 equal to 9. The step 2 is 2 is multiplied by 1 plus 3 is multiplied by 9 is equal to 29. In case of 29, we write 9 carry over 2. Carry over 2. Step 3. 2 is multiplied by 3 equal to 6. And previous, the carry over, the 2, then 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Then the answer is 899. So, the students, you easily can multiply it by 2 steps multiplication without wasting your time. Now, we make you learn 3-step multiplication. Here is the example of 3 by 3 step multiplication. What will be the answer? Tell quickly. The answer will be 4, 2, 3, 7, 2. This is magical method. I explain you step by step. Step 1. 1 is multiplied by 2. 1 is multiplied by 2. 1 into 2 equals to 2. Step 2. 2 is multiplied by 2 and 1 is multiplied by 3. 2 into 2 plus 1 into 3 is equal to 7. Step 3. Step 3. 2 2 is multiplied by 3. One is multiplied by 1 and 2 is multiplied by 3. Till again. 3 is multiplied by 2. 2 is multiplied by 3. 3 is multiplied by 2 and 1 is multiplied by 1 is equal to 13. We write 3 carry over 1. Step 4. Step 4. 3 is multiplied by 3 and 2 is multiplied by 1. That is 3 into 3 plus 2 into 1 is equal to 11. And previous 1 should be added. Then 11 plus 1 is equal to 12. We write 2 carry over 1. Step 5. Just 3 is multiplied by 1 plus carry over 1, 4. Then the answer will be 42372. This process is very fruitful from the student of nursery up to the higher class. Any competitive exam, the multiplication is necessary. If various multiplication is done quickly, so we can answer these complex questions easily. This is the shortcut method of multiplication, 2 step, 3 step. I shall discuss later you about the 4th step and 3 by 2 step, etc. So, if you are interested to this matter, please comment me to my comment box. Thank you.